Again solve. 997 plus 496 the whole square minus 997 minus 496 the whole square. The whole upon 997 into 496. Now we can solve this way also. Add them and then square them. Subtract them and then square them. That also you can do. Or the best way, easier way is a square minus b square equals to a plus b into a minus b. Now take this whole as a square a and whole as b. Therefore it becomes a plus b into a minus b. So 997 plus 496 plus 997 minus 496, right, into a minus b. Now this 997 plus 496 as it is minus 997 plus 496, right, because of minus sign the inner signs change. Okay, the whole upon denominator remains the same, equals to, now what, this 2 into 496 goes and 2 into 997, and here 997 goes and 496 remain. So 2 into 997 plus 2 into 496, right, upon denominator as it is. Just cancel them and you get 4 as the answer. So this is the required answer.